YouTube, you say you're transparent, be transparent. I got a great idea. Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks. We talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. And today we're going to do a little YouTube rant. If you don't want to hear me rant about YouTube, go ahead and click off now before the intro. So, I put out 3 videos last month that did really well in YouTube search and on social media. Got shared a lot. You know, my numbers were way up for the month. Double my watch time. I had 4 times as many subscribers in 30 days as I did previously. You know, over 120 plus on my subscribers, and I appreciate all of you. But Friday night, I was at 497 subscribers. And I've been watching my subscriber count morning, noon, and night because I got a 500 subscriber giveaway contest I'm doing. When it's 500 subscribers, I got to cut off the chance for people to enter to win and stuff. So I've been paying really close attention to it. I thought Saturday I was going to hit it. Well, I woke up Saturday morning, I was at 492. What the hell? 5 overnight? That's odd. So, okay, what about my day? Growth all day was really slow, like 1 subscriber, maybe 2. I was getting 5 or 7. My watch time's still up there, my views are still up there where they've been all week, but less subscribers. I'm okay, well, you know, stuff happens. So I ain't worry about it too much. Sunday, I'm still in the same boat. So I put a post out on Instagram about YouTube and said, anybody else knows the subscriber count dropped the last couple days? And a couple other small channels said, yeah. Some people said they've had it happen to them a couple times. YouTube purges fake accounts and your numbers will go down and then you'll start growing them again. Like, okay. I let it go for a day or 2. Yesterday, I up 1, down 1 kind of thing. And I was at 497 this morning. Almost back to where I was Friday. Thinking, okay, I got a new video coming out today. Maybe we'll get there. So I'm watching my new video go climb and it's doing good. Views are coming in and waiting for the dashboard to update, and I go check it a couple hours later and I'm at 499 subscribers. Woo! We're almost there. And then I get a message from another vlogger, and I'm not gonna give out his name just because it's personal, but he's been watching my channel. Him and his family ride, and his wife and sons are interested in motorcycle stuff. So he shared my channel stuff with them, and 3 of them went out and subscribed, thinking he was going to push me over the 500 mark. And he refreshed my page after they all 3 subscribed, and I'm at 499. No 500. So he messaged me and let me know. He said, hey man, I think YouTube's really screwing with you. Now, maybe I lost a subscriber at the same exact time that all 3 of them subscribed. It's possible. I could be paranoid, freaking out, over worrying about it because I'm looking for that 500 number to cut off my giveaway. But, you know, okay, ain't much I can do about it. It's YouTube, they're the machine, and all I can do is rage against it and keep doing what I'm doing. So, well, this road's got some rough spots. So anyway, you know, I decided today, I put out a post on social media and said, hey, I'm 1 away. I need 1 person to subscribe so I can end this giveaway and, you know, move on and we'll get these gifts out to the winner. Well, I hit 500. And that same moto vlogger said, hey, my brother shared your stuff, or my son shared his stuff with a friend of yours and they subscribed and you hit 500 now. Awesome. So I go out and I refresh TubeBuddy, and sure enough, you know, that YouTube studio says 500, TubeBuddy says 500. Wow, all right, we're there. Except now, I'm even more aggravated because TubeBuddy says I hit 500 subscribers 18 hours ago. Now trust me, I checked it last night before I went to bed. I checked it when I got up this morning. No 500 subscriber milestone. But now it's there. And it says 18 hours ago is when I hit it. So, yeah, 18 hours ago, I was sitting at my computer making a video, getting it done to get published, and checking my subscriber count every hour to see if we were growing, if we were going to hit the mark before I went to bed. So 18 hours ago, YouTube still said I was at 496 or 497. Did not get over 497 yesterday, anytime I could tell. This morning, 497, 3 subscribers, still at 499. Another subscriber, we hit 500, and you know, how in the hell does it say 18 hours ago? And I don't disbelieve I hit it at 18 hours ago, but YouTube Studio didn't say it, you know. And I get you can go up and you can go down, but I've not had anywhere near this kind of fluctuation in my channel subscribers in the 7 months I've been doing this, because I don't do sub for sub. If I like somebody's stuff, or I want to give them a chance, I'll subscribe and watch them for a couple months at least, see if they get better, what they're coming out with. But it has to be something I'm interested in. I got a channel that subscribes to me with 5,000 subscribers. I do not subscribe to him, because his content is not what I want to watch on YouTube. I appreciate him. I'm glad he watches my stuff, and maybe he rides a motorcycle, but his channel is not about that, so I don't watch him. And I'm not really into what he is sharing and putting out on YouTube. Not that I don't think he's got a great channel, it's just not my thing. So I don't, you know, I don't do sub for sub. I'm trying to grow my channel the right way. And, you know, YouTube, you say you're transparent, be transparent. I got a great idea. How about when people unsubscribe, if they're public info, when they do subscribe, they do a public info, they unsubscribe. You know, don't tell me Bob Smith is subscribed, but not tell me Bob Smith unsubscribed. If they're going to be public about it, you be public about it. Let me know who I'm losing as a viewer and when. Don't just magically take away 5 or 10 subscribers overnight and not tell me a damn thing. Or, you know, maybe if you take these channels away before they're fake, you should send out a notice that, you know, this channel has been deactivated because you have found it to violate the terms of YouTube. Something like that. Now that is what I call transparency. So, come on YouTube. You say you're all about transparency. Show me how. Right there's a way. Let me know what's going on with my channel and why if you let me know why my subscribers go up, why can't you let me know why my subscribers go down? So I'm not asking you to give me reasons why, but just the people that are public info, they share that when they subscribe, share it when they unsubscribe. I know why you don't do it, because you want YouTube to be a happy place and everybody to feel good about when they get a new subscriber, because it motivates them to put out content. And when they lose a subscriber, it doesn't motivate them to put out content. But, you know, if you're about transparency, you have to be about transparency for the good and the bad. So, yeah, that's my rant on YouTube. And for everybody out there that's been subscribing to my channel and watching my videos, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I do appreciate it. It does mean something to me. And I'm going to keep putting out videos. I'm going to keep trying to do better and put out things you're going to like and be interested in. Not just what I had for lunch or I rode to the grocery store today. Unless I can make that entertaining as shit. But, you know, as always, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you don't, you can thumb down it. It's okay. It won't hurt my feelings. And if you do that YouTube thing and you like my content, please subscribe down below. Hit that bell to be notified the next time I put out a new video. Thanks for all your support. Stay safe and keep on riding.